Hello, welcome back to Chasing Trophies. Another day, another 100 for Team India. This time it was Dhruv Jurel scoring a century, following Devdutt Padikkal in his footsteps. Incredible partnership with Rishabh Pant for Dhruv Jurel, and he was fantastic today. The ball was turning. It wasn't an easy pitch. It wasn't as flat as day one. But the way he played the spin, the way he used his back foot, his front foot, he was excellent today. Rotated the strike brilliantly. I think the left-right hand combination also pretty much helped India and helped Jurel and Pant. And because of him, India have crossed 500. And he was very nervy in his 90s, specifically when जब उन्हें 99 पे था, वो टाइम पे ऐसा लग रहा था उन्हें कभी भी आउट हो सकता है, and almost out हो गया था because he scampered for a run for his 100, and the fielder missed the direct hit. If he got that, he was out. Lekin a much deserved 100 for Jurel. The balcony was applauding him as well. It was an incredible knock. Faiz is joining me as well today. Faiz, Jurel cementing his place despite not being the first wicket keeper right now. He's cementing his place as the batsman in the lower order for India.
Yeah, I think Dhruv Jurel, I mean, he's been very good. Temperament अच्छा है उनका, and I think for India, he found someone who can play with the tail. I think that's a very important aspect of his game. Yeah, there's certain times he gets ahead of himself, gives away his wicket and stuff, but predominantly अगर आप देखें जितने भी उन्होंने I think a handful of matches खेले फिलवक्त इंडिया के लिए, but he's always given you something with the bat. He had a century also against West Indies and India, I think in the first test. He's already had that, but इधर भी आप देखो again today when India came out to bat, they lost a wicket of Saransh Jain and Rishabh Pant के साथ बहुत अच्छी partnership है, and yeah, I think he's now trying to cement himself like we said in that 6-7 role, and a very good fielder as well, can keep as well, so he has many aspects to his game, and with every passing test match, he's giving a feeling that yes, like this guy definitely looks like a proper red ball player. Can use his feet, can attack as well, and counter attack. And for India, many times of the even that England game where he actually came onto the surface 24 में 90 जो खेले थे with the tail and saving India because वहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा collapse आ गया था. Hartley Bashir I think वो टाइम पे विकेट निकाल रहे थे. So I think Jurel बहुत ही अच्छा है, and hopefully for the future you have your proper 6-7 depth for specialist test batsmen.
Yeah, and what I liked about him कि आज भी अगर आप देखें, there was the ball was turning, the odd ball was turning very rapidly, but he was deleting that from his memory. He was just focusing on the next ball. कभी कभी क्या होता है that kind of turn, it plays with your mind. You don't know whether to play with the turn or not the turn, but he was just focusing on the next ball. He was looking at the bowler's hand closely and then predicting his shots and preempting the way he was going to play. Like he was sometimes क्या हो रहा था ये pitch पे straighter ones पे out हो रहे थे Indian batsmen because ball turn हो रहा था, then instead of playing for the turn, straighter one पे beat हो रहे थे, but he was very good in that, and like he was getting his foot out of the line as well, so that अगर लगा भी तो impact outside होता था. So he was very smart in that, and he wasn't allowing even Rishabh Pant, both of them weren't allowing that turn to really play with their mind. They kept going, they kept playing their natural game, and Jurel as well. I think at that time when Rishabh Pant was looking to attack, he let him play his game, and Jurel played his game. He absorbed the pressure. He took his time. His strike rate was 60, I think, throughout the innings. And his defense was also very good. I think that's one thing Jurel has. He has a solid defense. He won't let you break easily. And मेरे को एक और अच्छी चीज जो अच्छा लगा उन्हें टेल के साथ जो खेलता है यार, बहुत जबरदस्त खेलता है टेल के साथ, इसलिए आप वो उसको नंबर 7 पोजीशन में रख रहे हैं. सिराज के साथ जिस तरीके से बैटिंग करा, जो भी बोलो यार, सिराज 22-23 बॉल खेला, उसमें जुरेल भी दे बोथ कम्युनिकेटेड विद ईच अदर, दे वर कॉन्स्टेंटली टॉकिंग, ही वाज टेलिंग हिम ऐसा करो वैसा करो, एंड इवन विद मानव सूतर ही पुट अ partnership. He was putting up partnerships with the tail end, and that is what you need for a batsman playing at that position. It's not just batting with Rishabh Pant, it's also batting with people after him as well. And India could have folded under 400 today if it wasn't for Jurel, and he made sure that not only did they cross 400, वो तो चलो ठीक है ऋषभ पंत का भी हाथ था, मगर 500 जाने का तो जुरेल का बहुत बड़ा हाथ था, and I do applaud him for that. Now India is in a very good position. They look like they're going to win this test match, Faiz, and it looks like both these guys, Jurel and Pant, will be in the Indian team for future series, at least the New Zealand series and probably the Australia series as well.
Yeah, I think कहीं ना कहीं आपको अपने रेड बॉल के like wicket keeping batsmen मिल गए, like in a sense अगर ऋषभ पंत injured है तो you know who the next one will fall into place, and that's probably Dhruv Jurel. तो वो aspect में I think थोड़ा बहुत आप you're looking forward to two good. एक तो ऋषभ पंत obviously a very good prospect, but also someone like a Jurel who's been here for 2 years and whenever he's given an opportunity, he tries his best. And yeah, I think वो हिसाब से जैसा आप बोले 500 क्रॉस करने का obviously टाइम ज़्यादा लग गया था because of him being a little bit very nervous in the 90s. And I remember, was it सिराज जो अश्विन था, मैं आपके ऊपर ट्रस्ट करा,
Yes,
प्लीज
yes.
डोंट तो वैसा वाला सिचुएशन था जुरेल के लिए भी, आई थिंक कि सिराज was batting over there, but Siraj, I mean, credit as well to be able to stand. But yeah, I think for Rishabh Pant also, up to 66 mare, always getting criticized, always getting pushed down for certain performances. For him also now, since the second test and his third innings where he's made an impact, he's gotten incredible, like a lot of record as a wicket keeping batsman as well. And I think now people should like lay off of him at least for a year though, I think is a lot, but maybe till the BGT, you think like Rishabh Pant should be here as well. Like Chitta bhi bola hai, Rishabh Pant actually also with that counter-attack meaning gave, like you said, Jurel a bit of a platform to be able to take his time and get into his role and stuff. So I think credit to Rishabh Pant as well, man. 66 maar diya last game, maybe 60 plus maar diya. So yeah, he's been incredible.
Yeah, and the conditions weren't that easy to bat on. Sri Lanka did get early wicket today, but despite that, I think both of these put on a fantastic partnership. And Siraj ko yaar, इन्हें भी thank you बोला, NKR भी, Ashwin भी, he was there for all their hundreds towards the end, so he did well with the bat as well. 2 विकेट भी चले गए भाई श्रीलंका के. By the way, इंडिया खाली 2-3 ओवर डाले, उसमें भी विकेट चले गए. Prasidh Krishna has taken the first wicket. What a catch from Jaiswal, and then I think it was Manas Sutarfez who caught the second wicket. LBW जो पैर को लगा सो, boot को लगा सो,
Yes.
if I'm not mistaken. So those are 2 wickets, and now India, it looks like they're going to win this test match. They just need to keep a track of the weather. I don't know like what you can do. If it rains, but what India will have to do is try and enforce the fall one. So for that, they need to get Sri Lanka all out, under like 250, something like that, and then they have to make sure that they give Sri Lanka batting again, get them all out again. I think that's the best way for India to win this test match. Looking at the weather around, because आज भी हम देखे थर्ड सेशन में 2-3 वक्त बाहर अंदर आए बारिश पड़ रही वहां पे. The drainage system looks decent, but at the same time, this is the older ground. This is not the Premadasa. This is not the ground they usually play international matches these days. But so it could take time sometimes. But I think they did a decent job. कल देखते हैं क्या होता है. There's day 3, day 4, day 5. Fez, your prediction for this game? How many days is this game finishing in?
Honestly, so I think कल ही श्रीलंका टॉपल हो जाएंगे ऐसा लग रहा है, अगर वेदर स्टेज fine, because there is like the ball has already started doing a lot for the fast bowlers as well, and the spinners, I think. So it's going to be a little bit difficult. Up covers भर रात भर covers सुबह शाम से लेके, तो maybe there'll be a little bit more moisture to play with for the batsmen, for the bowlers, particularly the pacers. I feel like Sri Lanka already 2 wicket lose कर दिए. प्रभ सूर्य आना के बहुत गुस्से में थे, लहिरू कुमार तो तौलिए में आ गए थे, but I still feel like the bowling of India looks very focused to wrap it up. I think the 4 तक शायद चलेगा तो चलेगा, but maybe अगर फर्स्ट सेशन में 4-5 विकेट चले गए तो इंडिया can come out to bat tomorrow in the last session maybe.
Yeah, man. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Do join us for the the third day as well. We will let you know what's happening over there. Thank you everybody for joining us. Make sure you're hitting the like button, subscribe button, do comment on the video. Thank you Faiz bhai also for joining us, and we will catch you guys tomorrow or later in the day whenever you're seeing this episode. Take care and bye bye.